how to post a horizontal video on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you are signed into your account. Now, tap on the plus sign at the bottom to create a new post. Select the horizontal video you want to upload from your gallery. By default, Instagram may display the video in a square format. To maintain the horizontal aspect ratio, tap on the expand icon at the left corner of the video. This will adjust the video to its original horizontal format. If you do not want black spaces on the sides, you can zoom in by pinching the screen with 2 fingers and repositioning the video as needed. Once you are satisfied with the framing, tap Next. Here, you can also choose a cover image by selecting a frame from the video. After selecting a cover, tap Done. Now, you can add a caption, tag people, or add a location. Once everything is set, tap Share to upload the video. Your horizontal video is now posted on Instagram and viewers will be able to watch it in the correct format. That is how you upload a horizontal video on Instagram.